giddy on. There's a car in an enormous great big puddle, so we're not going to be able to get this way then. I'm going to have to turn around and go a different way, because it's been a very, very wet day today. I'm just on the way back from Warwick, very close to the road in places, but it hasn't actually spilled across it. Oh, this might be the point, just up here, where it actually does. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Oh my life. Yeah, this is, that unofficial stream just pours out into the road at this point and crosses it, I guess, and quite deep actually, places.